The man who was in the SUV with George Floyd when police approached is now refusing to testify. Law& Crime's Anjanette Levy has been digging into the background of a man by the name of Morries Hall. Anjanette?
Brian, Morries Hall's attorney filed a document with the court saying that he would invoke his Fifth Amendment rights against self-incrimination. Hall was actually wanted on drug charges out of Minnesota the night that Floyd died.
Sir, I just came to buy a tablet, and when I bought a tablet, he didn't work.
Oh my God! He didn't even do nothing.
The man in the red hat is Morries Hall. He was in George Floyd's SUV when police approached Floyd on May 25, 2020. The woman next to him is Shawanda Hill. Hall came up in testimony from Floyd's girlfriend, Courtney Ross.
Are you familiar with Morries Hall?
Yes.
And was Morries Hall the person that you and Mr. Floyd bought controlled substances from?
We had.
Court documents show Hall was wanted in Hennepin County, Minnesota, on charges of being a felon in possession of a firearm, third-degree drug possession, and domestic assault. Judge Cahill signed one of those warrants in February 2020, 3 months before Floyd died. Hall went to Texas after Floyd's death. Authorities in Minnesota considered him a fugitive and asked police in Texas to arrest him. Hall was taken into custody a week after Floyd died.
He gets extra attention, good or bad.
Hall has granted a number of interviews to media outlets, including CNN, but now he says he won't say anything if called to testify at Derek Chauvin's trial. His attorney has asked the court to quash the subpoena, since anything Hall testifies to could be used against him in court.
I didn't like Maurice very much, no.
Floyd's girlfriend testified pills she and Floyd had taken together were different from pills they had taken in the past.
Usually, opioid to me is like it's a pain reliever. It's something that is, kind of relaxing, takes your pain away. The pill, that time, it seemed like it was a really strong stimulant. I couldn't sleep all night. I felt very jittery.
Morries Hall actually has a lengthy criminal record out of Texas, a lot of drug cases there for him. He's actually currently in jail in Minneapolis and Hennepin County. He's accused of violating a protection order for a woman he pleaded guilty to strangling. His prison sentence in that case was actually stayed, so now he's back in jail for violating that order, and he's also accused of assaulting that person. Yet again, his public defender declined comment when I reached her.